Okay, uh, here's a video that I'm making, trying to replace the rear control arm bushing right there, and the bolt, the nut, it should be locked in there, but I think the weld came off, so I cannot loosen this bolt so I can bring it down so it has a room for that bolt to come out. So I have to lower this whole front end, removing that two bolts there, but it was like the weld came off. So this is what I did. I made an opening down there, and I'm gonna weld it back so I can bring it down, remove that bolt and bring it down, and I'm gonna cover that later. All right, I'm gonna do it now.